friends, let's explore various wonderful animal families. What is the chicken family like? Let's check it out. Chicken. What is Mr. Rooster doing? Mr. Rooster crows to wake everyone up at day. Let's ask Mr. Rooster to wake Miss Hens up. Look, Miss Hens are still sleeping. Let's wake them up with Mr. Rooster. Mr. Rooster is so amazing! He has woken all Miss Hens up! Wow! Miss Hens are going to lay eggs! Let's take care of them together! Miss Hens need the appropriate environment to lay eggs. Wow! Miss Hens have laid eggs! Little quiz! In the chicken family, who crows to wake everyone up at daybreak? Mr. Rooster. Miss Hen. Awesome! You are right! Only Mr. Rooster can crow loudly. In the chicken family, who is responsible for hatching eggs? Miss Hen. Mr. Rooster. Awesome! You are right! Miss Hen can lay eggs. Wow! You've got a nice sticker! Let's check out Little Panda's encyclopedia. Dear friends, let's explore various wonderful animal families. What would the kangaroo family do? Let's check it out. Kangaroo. Look! Daddy Kangaroo is practicing boxing! Oh no! The wild dog is harassing Mommy Kangaroo! Let's drive the terrible wild dogs away with Daddy Kangaroo! Wild dogs like to harass Mommy Kangaroo and baby kangaroos. Let's drive them away with Daddy Kangaroo. Daddy Kangaroo jumps forward through the support of his strong tail. Eating mushrooms will make Daddy Kangaroo stronger. Keep going, Daddy Kangaroo! Daddy Kangaroo has driven the wild dogs away and win the heart of Mommy Kangaroo. The naughty baby kangaroos ran away. Let's help Mommy Kangaroo to get the baby kangaroos back. The baby kangaroos got lost in the forest. Let's help get them back. There are so many dirty leaves in the pouch of Mommy Kangaroo. Let's help her clean it up. Where is the other baby kangaroo? The baby kangaroo is hungry. Let's feed it. Great! Found it! The baby kangaroos can only grow up under Mommy Kangaroo's protection. Little quiz! In the kangaroo family, who has a big pouch in the belly? Mommy Kangaroo. Daddy Kangaroo. Awesome! You are right! Only Mommy Kangaroo has a pouch in the belly. Daddy Kangaroo does not have it. In the kangaroo family, who has strong muscles with great strength? Daddy Kangaroo. Mommy Kangaroo. Awesome! You are right! Daddy Kangaroo has strong muscles with great strength. Wow! You've got a nice sticker! Male kangaroo.